Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we're delving into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was released on Monday, April 1, 2024, and now we're presenting a more in-depth analysis. Subscribe, like, and enable notifications to stay informed about our latest insights. Don't miss out on crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our new AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 on StockInvest.us. Access AI capabilities for free price predictions and thorough analysis of 25,000 global companies today. Please remember that this video serves informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Since February 8, 2024, our system has rated MicroStrategy Incorporated as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.93. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. MicroStrategy Incorporated has exceeded our expectations, gaining an impressive 178.45% since our initial recommendation to buy 36 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 4.96% since it was designated as hold/accumulate. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 266.42% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 185.06% and 340.14%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a 75.91% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between -35.03% and 106.98%. This translates to a price range of $1,063.39 to $3,387.70 after a year. Today's update on MicroStrategy Incorporated reveals a weaker technical forecast as the stock is downgraded to hold/accumulate. The stock price of MicroStrategy Incorporated dropped by -3.98% on the last trading day, moving from $1,704.56 to $1,636.74. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 6.53%, reaching a low of $1,586.56 and a high of $1,690.19. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been an 8.17% decrease in price. The trading volume decreased by 2 million shares on the last day, aligning with the stock's movement, totaling approximately $3.24 billion in transactions. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a high of $1,999 and a low of $266. Currently, the price sits 18.12% or $362.26 below the 52-week high, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. On various dates in 2022 and 2023, analyst reports on MSTR were released. On Friday, February 3, 2023, Canaccord Genuity rated MSTR as a buy with a hold action. On Thursday, December 29, 2022, Jefferies rated MSTR as underperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 9, 2022, Jefferies also rated MSTR as underperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, July 26, 2022, Jefferies rated MSTR as hold with a downgrade action. On Monday, May 23, 2022, Jefferies rated MSTR as hold with a hold action. Analysts have rated MicroStrategy Incorporated stock as a buy. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as buy. The return on investment for this stock receives a strong buy rating from analysts. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $1,730.82. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $1,228.33. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, March 27, 2024, and so far it has fallen -14.72%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 80 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 35 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 38 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 47 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 104 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. Looking at the downside, the stock has found support levels just below today's price. The first support is at $1,502.76, followed by $1,417.50. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there's a risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For MicroStrategy Incorporated, the next support levels are at $1,502.76, $1,417.50, and $1,334.01. This stock is known for its high volatility, with significant price movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval, categorizing this stock as very high risk. In the last trading day, the stock moved $103.63 between its high and low, representing a 6.53% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 12%. Let's start by looking at the essential fundamental data for MicroStrategy Incorporated before discussing potential trading levels. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is a key metric that compares the company's share price to its earnings per share. A high P/E ratio may indicate overvaluation or expectations of high future growth. Looking ahead, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for May 6, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $0.0500. These figures can significantly influence stock prices, so it's important to monitor them closely. Let's now explore potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated stands at $1,676.85. If you're not yet invested, consider waiting for this level to be breached before entering a position. For current shareholders, this could be a point to explore for swing trading opportunities. Conversely, on the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated faces its initial support level at $1,502.76. Should this support hold, it might present an attractive entry point, with potential for a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Sailor Michael J., who bought and sold 500 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -28.387. Overall, insiders purchased 15,000 shares and sold 27,000 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $1,539.84, -5.92%. This stock exhibits high daily volatility, posing significant risk. A sell signal was identified from a pivot top 2 days ago. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? MicroStrategy Incorporated holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, April 2nd, we expect MicroStrategy Incorporated to open up $1.09 and start trading at $1,637.83. It's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. Before making any investment decisions, it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor. StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. Your use of the information implies your acceptance and responsibility for your own investment actions. Share your opinion on the current stock view. What target do you have in mind? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the discussion in the comments. Wishing you success in your trading endeavors and have a wonderful day from the team at StockInvest.